To the untrained eye, Reddit can look like a disorganised mess of text and links, and to some degree, it is. But with some experience, Reddit can be a great way to both share and discover some great content from across the web. When you arrive on the Reddit homepage, you'll be presented with a selection of popular entries that have been shared by one of Reddit's many users. Each entry on any Reddit page has a number of different elements to help you identify the content it links to. Firstly, there are two types of entries on Reddit: links and discussions. Links by far make up the majority of the entries on Reddit, and as such, discussions receive a discussion icon to help you identify them as being different. You will also notice a small icon to help you identify videos and image slideshows. These are essentially the same as any other link on Reddit, but Reddit provides the option of watching the video or viewing the slides directly on the Reddit site, rather than having to leave Reddit to go and see them on the site they're actually hosted on. Having distinguished the type of entry you're looking at, the second element to every entry is the title. The title is a basic description of the link or discussion, and clicking it will take you directly to the web page or discussion that it links to. To the left of the title, you'll usually see a thumbnail image. To the right, you will see the domain the link is going to take you to, or in the case of discussions, self, followed by the subreddit community the discussion was posted to. We'll come back to subreddits in our next video. Under the title, you can see when the entry was submitted, who submitted it, which subreddit they submitted it to, how many comments have been made about it on Reddit, and a link to share it. To the left of each entry, you'll see the voting area. Users can upvote or downvote a link based on whether they like it or not. Simply click which arrow you want to cast your vote. The number in the centre shows the current rating for this particular entry. Let's take a quick look at a discussion. Here you can see that clicking the discussion icon shows the original question or comment left by the Reddit user who added the entry. To leave a comment as part of the discussion, click the comment link, or the number of comments, which will show if others have already commented. This will take you to the discussion page for this entry. All discussions and links have a discussion page where users can leave comments. The discussion page is split into threaded comments. Indented comments are a reply to the comment directly above them, with the furthest left comments being a direct reply to the original poster's comment, often referred to as the OP or original post. To add your comment, you can reply to the original post by clicking the reply link at the top, or you can join the discussion and reply to another comment by clicking the reply link under the comment you want to reply to. Of course, you'll need to sign up for a user account before you can leave comments. It only takes a moment to register, and you don't need to provide any private information. So, now you know what you're looking at, let's take a look at how you add your own links and start your own discussions.